If you want to know how can you remove your cameos from your Snapchat account, you are in the right place because today in this video I will show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version, just like that. As we know, Snapchat keeps moving things around all the time. So just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. Once it's done, we can finally go ahead and open Snapchat, and let's make sure we are on the same page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So first, when you open Snapchat and go to your chats by tapping in the bottom right there and choose any conversation, I'm just gonna choose my AI. So if you tap on this emoji right here, I'm not talking about these little stickers. You can tap again in this little smiley face. These are the cameos, basically selfies with of you in different bodies, different, I don't know, stickers. Now if you want to remove those and you find them annoying, follow up with me. Go to your profile by tapping right here in the top left, then go to your settings by tapping this gear icon in the top right. Now from here you need to find cameos, this one right here. So once you find it right there, you can go ahead and open it. And this is the page that you are looking for basically. Now this is my cameo. You can change things around if you want to. If you don't want to delete them completely, maybe change your selfie or the body. But if you just want to delete them, tap on clear my selfie or my cameo. Selfies in the bottom and then tap on clear. And just like that, your cameo will be removed from your Snapchat account successfully. Of course, you can create another one by tapping here on create cameo selfie and take another selfie, or you can go ahead and go to your conversation, and at the same time let's check out that they are really removed. If you tap again on this emoji, they won't be there anymore. Now again, you can tap on express yourself with cameos and create another one. Now as you can see, there is no cameos. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. It really does help the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.